Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem when you lock your screen and you forgot your passcode. These are the steps. You will press and hold the power button. You will get this pop-up right here. Just tap restart. As soon as you see the logo, press and hold the two buttons. The one on the right, the power button, and the volume up button. Okay, press and hold until you see the Android logo again, and just release the two buttons, and I'm gonna show you the next steps. So let's go. So I'm gonna press and hold just the power button with one finger right here. Now you will see this. Just restart, tap restart to restart your device, your phone. Once you see this, the Samsung logo, press and hold the two buttons. Okay, once you see the Android logo like this, just release the two buttons. If you missed it, don't worry, just do it again. With the volume buttons, just scroll down to factory reset. It's this one, factory reset, and just press the power button. Okay. Scroll down again to yes. Okay. Right here. Okay, just press reboot system now. Once done that, you will have to set up your Android phone again. Tap start and just set up your phone from the beginning, and choose your Wi-Fi, enter your password, and just follow the prompts. You can skip this or sign in with using your Gmail account. Agree, finish, and you're done. That's how it works. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.